5.
Hi, my name is Bianca. Welcome to the Notes from the 6th grade, the program that tells you everything you need to know about what it's like to be a 6th grader. Today my special guest is Sinera, who will be talking to us about her crash with the cow. Welcome, Sinera. Also joining us in our live city audience is Class 608. Welcome, Class 608.
So I was going to Bangladesh, and it was really, really beautiful. There was green plains and flowers. I was going to the country, to my dad's farm. And so the first day I was in my dad's farm, we got a call from our neighbor, and my neighbor told me to come over. So I came over, and he was sitting in the backyard in his chair, and he said, "Why don't you go pet the new cow, Mabel?" So I went over, and the cow looks new, fresh and new, and it had red eyes, and I was really, really scared. But I guess the cow was scared too. So I went over, and I wasn't really paying attention because Bangladesh is so beautiful, and it was really a shock to be there. So I was just petting the cow and looking around, not really paying attention to what I was doing. And then I felt something long and furry. Never, ever touch a cow's tail. And I turned around, and I was touching the cow's tail. And it just looked at me, and it went like a bull. And I was really scared. So I just began running around in circles, and I ran all the way back to my house. And my neighbor was just looking at me like I was crazy.
So why were you even in Bangladesh in the first place?
Oh, my grandmother, she was sick, and we were just going to support her because we're like family, so.
Mm-hmm. How old were you?
I was 6.
Did you ever go to Bangladesh before?
Oh yes, I have. I went when I was about 2, so I didn't really remember anything when I was 2, so it was really a shock to be there.
Okay, so we have a question from the audience now.
So Sunera, how was it like in Bangladesh?
Well, it was really, really nice. It was really beautiful to be there, and I really felt a joy to be reunited with my family, because none of my family members, they live here. None of my family members live here. So to visit Bangladesh and see your family, that's just really, really happy for me. So.
Okay.
How did you feel when the cow was chasing you?
Oh, I was seriously scared. Like, at first you're thinking that Bangladesh is going to be nice, it's going to be fresh. It's like when you're 6 and you're little, you think of it as a fantasy, visiting somewhere else. You picture the airplane as, I don't know, a ferry boat. But when a cow is chasing you, that just changed the whole idea. You get scared, and you're so nervous about what's going to happen next that you don't know if you should be scared or look forward to it.
So did your views change?
Yeah, my views did change. At first, I was, as a kid would be, with wonder and happy, and then I was really, really scared.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Please join us next time on the Notes from the 6th grade. I'm Bianca. Goodbye for now.